everybody? It is Bob at 2 Pops of Breaks. Friday, May the 3rd. Break-in Gold Rush 16 by 20 photos. It's a 2-boxer from a case we started tonight. Randomed up our 6 remaining numbers. 5 and 10 is what we got. Pick a name, get 2 by a random on the left. Already randomized the extra names. And customers awarded the Brady spot. Did give them a few minutes to trade. Nothing going down, no. Well, I just want to see some new names on top of some nice hits for you. I want to see some fresh names, guys. So far, we're on nearly an identical run of last case, and the only good thing about that is that it was a nice case. Alright, just double checking chance one last time for no trades. Alright, guys, come on, Gold Rush, give us something new here, please. Fuck! Well, again, guys, nothing wrong with the pick, man. Another great pick. Solid player. May not be a ton of value, but popular player in Mike Singletary. The problem is that's a third Mike Singletary out of 4 fucking cases, man. Really great looking pick, everything, guys. It's just... they really got to give me some variation here. This is literally a friggin'... well, it's going to be a ragtag hit on it. Jesus, guys, turning out into... this is practically an identical case to our last one. And again, the only thing good about that is that means we should have a bunch of hits coming up here for you within our last few boxes. Well, ragtag. Gonna step on in and grab Singletary, folks. Alright, here comes box 10. Come on, man, give us something. New name, please. Come on, Gold Rush, please, bud. Bam! Wow, well, there's a nice one for us, guys. About fucking time. Wow, I don't know who the hell ended up grabbing him there. He was on the board, guys. Somebody gave him up. I don't know why nobody scooped him up right away. Beautiful hit there, though, guys. Gonna be a big boy for us in the Peyton Manning Phonetics hologram on her. Got a great big old sig there, too. Oh, Jesus, guys. I am so sorry there. That's another double hit for us tonight, guys. I am so sorry, man. Ragtag on top of it, hitting the giant boy there is gonna take both the boxes, man. Really great pick, guys. I do gotta say that it is a really great pick. I haven't had a problem with the photographs. I mean, they've been great picks, everything. Problem is just all the repeat names, guys. Wow, and again, guys, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with the double hits tonight. DC stepped in. The last two cases were like that. Lone Star rocked it last case. Ray's going to take two. DC took two here. I am so sorry, everybody else, but let's see if we can't finish this thing off strong, guys. We got 4 boxes left. So 2 more breaks. We got 80 and 9. And then, these fucking things are heavy, man. 1 and 4. Alright, that is going to wrap that one up. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Stop on by.